In the middle of a snowstorm, a bear gets lost in the snow. A rabbit saw him and took him to shelter. The rabbits distribute food to help the baby cub recover. When the storm subsides, the rabbit guides his son to find his family. They cross a frozen river. The rabbit saves the bear cub from falling in the evening. They stop to admire the aurora borealis. A wolf appears, but the rabbit tricks him into a ravine. The bear found footprints. The bear found the house and ran to his mother from afar. The rabbit smiled and walked away, and the bear waved happily.